A mine engineer is someone who has studied, of course, to understand the different processes that take place in the mining process, from exploration to closure and tailings management. When you have a view of the whole process from above, and you can kind of understand what takes place in every phase of the whole process, you can find ways of optimizing, the specific projects you do for one of these phases. For example, in tailings, it's important to understand how the tailings get into the deposit, how the tailings are treated in previous phases, of the process, and how those tailings become tailings, when you are extracting them from the rock, getting the ore, then separating waste part from the valuable part, and then what you do with that waste part, We have the opportunity to work both locally and in global projects, and that really gives us the opportunity, to get to know different approach to what could be similar or the same problem. And that way of thinking and that way of working and collaborating really brings into the table a lot of expertise and a lot of ways of fixing problems. We are not used to taking the easiest path as the path we always do and we are experts in. We always try to find alternative and optimize and modern answers to that problem. And I think that's possible because we work a lot with our offices around the world. We have offices in Australia, in the Nordics, Sweden, Finland, also in the UK, here in Spain, and of course in the States and Canada. That's the most interesting part of working with geosynthetic and working in geosynthetic.